Okay, in this video we're going to look at inscribed angles and polygons. We talked about inscribed angles a little bit in the other sections. It just means to have, in general, inscribed means to have all the vertices lying on the edges of another figure. So we have some pictures here. On the left we have like a circle inscribed in a triangle. It says that like 3 of the vertices of the circle are there. Here we have a circle inscribed in a square, circle inscribed in a hexagon. Over here we have a square inscribed in a circle. Notice how the 4 vertices are on the circle. So that makes these 4 angles, or this one in particular, an inscribed angle. Alright, an inscribed angle is just an angle with its vertex on the triangle, on the circle. Same thing here, that would be an inscribed angle. So when you have a polygon, like this octagon here, where all the angles are inscribed angles, because all the vertices are on the circle, it's called an inscribed, this would be an inscribed octagon. So, like we just said, ABC, BCD, and CDE are all inscribed angles. It has its vertex on the circle, and the sides are chords. So AB and CB are the sides, those are chords. That's an angle. AC is the arc that gets intercepted by the inscribed angle. So that's going to tell us, if we know this arc measure here, the inscribed angle is always going to be half the measure of the arc. We'll go over why that happens shortly. Okay, here would be another inscribed angle, BCD, okay, and that intercepts this arc. So if you knew that like BD, or whatever arc this is, was like 100 degrees, then you would know that this angle would be 50 degrees. So inscribed angles are always half the measure of the arc. And we have another one here. CDE is an inscribed angle, right? Its sides are ED and CD, those are chords, and the vertex is on the circle, and it intercepts this arc. So let's say that that was a semicircle. It might be, we don't know. Could be. Let's say it is, then this would be a right angle, because it intercepts an arc that's 180 degrees. And the inscribed angle is always half the measure of the arc. So just some vocab. Intercepts versus subtends. So an angle intercepts an arc. So I would say that this angle ABC intercepts arc AC. And an arc subtends an angle. So I would say, okay, this arc BD subtends this angle. So that's just some vocab.